Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on our new channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram not showing likes. So let's get started. Well, here I'm on my Instagram account. Now, for example, I want to see the number of likes of that post. So scroll all the way down. And once you go to likes, we only got view likes option. So the number of like is hidden. And when you tap on view likes, a list of people who like that post will appear, but the number of likes is hidden. Now to fix that problem, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner, and then tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Here, a list of options will appear, so choose the first option, Settings and Privacy. After that, scroll all the way down, and from what you see, choose the last option, Hide Likes. So tap on it. So here we got these settings also apply to threads. The number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. So to make likes appears, then toggle off the Hide Likes option. Great, now go back. Scroll all the way down, and as you see here, the number of likes appears. So we got 305 likes on that post. And this is it. This is how to fix Instagram not showing likes. Thanks for watching. See ya.